Hey, what's going on here? I thought I might do a little walk around on my old car here. Old 66 Mercury Comet Caliente. I've had it since I was 19 years old. I'm 61 now, so I've had it pretty much my whole driving life. I've put 3 engines in it, about 4 transmissions, 3 or 4 rear ends over the years. It came with a 394 speed. I put a couple more 390s in it. Then this last time I put a 428 in it. There's 4-speed. Factory bucket seats, tachometer on the dash. It's a pretty rare body style. You don't see too many of them. You see more fire lanes. But it's still in pretty good shape. I've kept it in the garage most of its life. Got a factory fiberglass hood on it here. And let's see if I can pop that hinge here. I'll raise it up. There's an old 428 I throwed in there. It's got aluminum heads. Got nitrous on it. 850 double pumper. MSD distributor there. Scott wires. Comp cam. Hooker headers. Harlan Sharp roller rockers. Good forged pistons. Internally balanced. It's a pretty good old motor. I'm happy with it. That's all I need. But yeah, I've had her I think 41, 42 years. And I wouldn't take nothing for it. It might not be worth a fortune, but it's worth a lot to me. Give it to my kids and grandkids or something here one day. It ain't going nowhere if I can help it. But anyway, it's got a parachute on the back too. I forgot to tell you about that. I might even pop open the trunk here on it. I won this parachute actually off of Steve Morris' YouTube channel. Yeah, it's kind of mess back here, but I got a nitrous bottle there, fuel cell, battery in the back here, a bunch of old nasty looking wiring job there. The only thing I'm lacking on, I'm not much of an electrician. But yeah, hope I can take it up to Bristol drag strip this summer. Maybe on one of the street fight things there, go down the track a time or two. I've street raced it over the years. I've beat a lot of cars with it back in the day. When I first got it, I had an old 390 Galaxy my dad had given me, and it had a motor in it. A moonshiner had it rebuilt, and it's been a little money on it. It was a good old 390, and I took that motor out of that Galaxy and stored it from when I was about 15 till I was 19. And that's when I found this car, and it had a wore out 390 in it. So that other 390 I had just dropped right in there, and I outrun a lot of people with it back in the day. Yeah, it ran pretty good. I had a 389 rear end in it at the time, and 4-speed. You know, had headers and a couple things on it, and like I said, it already ran good. It was a good 390. But I ran through it there. It lasted about 8 years. And I bought another motor, another 390, rebuilt it, and it lasted quite a bit longer, like 14, 15 years. And I've had this 428 in it since about 2015, I think. But anyway, that's my old Comet Caliente. I've had a lot of fun with it. It's got so many miles, been drove so much. My son put a set of clutch and brake pedals in it. The other one had so many miles on it, it'd go sideways when you mashed it, and it finally broke. And yeah, he rebuilt that for me, put a new set of pedals in it last summer. So hopefully I can have some fun with it, take it to a few car shows and stuff. Anyway, that's my old Comet Caliente. Yeah, I left a thing or two off there a minute ago. I'll extend this video a little bit here. This old car's got a 9-inch positive traction rear end, and It's got Hoosier Street Slicks with the chain pattern on it, small tire. And I forgot to mention that a minute ago about the rear end stuff in it. But yeah, it's my old Comet Caliente, and its name is the Problem Child. I've seen a few Problem Childs on the internet. I think I saw a Corvette on Street Outlaws, and maybe a Donk. A couple more cars said Problem Child on them, but unless any of them goes back to 1983 or older, this is the Problem Child right here. See you guys later.